Boom! The Dow hits yet another record high. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade. Tuesday, December 20th, 2016. 5 days from Christmas. The Dow at a record high. However, still 20,000 cannot be reached. Question is, will that happen tomorrow or the next day or before the end of the year? That is the news. Small caps up the most, 0.83%. But banks up big time, up 1.4%. Financials up 1.2%. US dollar flat. Crude oil up 1%. Gold takes it on the chin. Silver actually started off very bearish but rallies back. VIX, fear dropping by 4%. Here we are looking at the S&P 500 ETF, the spiders. I called it a sell. I remain with my sell, even though we did pop today. Why? Because we're on the wrong side of resistance. Resistance is above us. It's not acting as support. So at this moment on an average volume day, I cannot put a buy signal here because of this resistance. If I go here to the Dow, though, is a different ball game. We are above resistance. Above resistance. That means I have to come over here to tradingview.com, go to my up arrow, and say, now Dow is a buy. I really think tomorrow, Wednesday, hump day, is going to be the big 20000 mark. That we have a great chance of that happening. Wow, it's right before us. NASDAQ called it a sell. However, today, look at this. Boom. We go back above. Remember I was talking about these upper shadows, people selling into the strength? Look at this. Today, we popped over resistance up at this very dangerous sell zone, and it's holding pat. The question is now, is this a buy signal? I am one bar away from being able to call it that. I'm going to stick with my sell, but I'm telling you guys, this is what it looks like it's going to do. Has a pretty good chance of doing that. Pretty good chance of doing that right there, going higher. Small caps. I called it. I called it a sell. Right here, we go higher, but we break resistance. Look at this. So now I'm going to get rid of what I was thinking going to happen. Now we drop, still a bear pullback, but it's looking more bullish. Now that we're above a major area of resistance, I'm going to get rid of this line now because it's been penetrated. The line that matters to me at this moment is not even so much this dude. I'm going to get rid of that. There is our channel that we're in. Can we release above this trend line? Maybe. Furthermore, if I go to this right there, look, that's where we stopped. See this swing high? This swing high, move this right there, okay? Right there. So this swing high is acting as resistance right now. Can we get above it? Maybe, maybe not. It has a good chance now that it released. It released off of this support level. Support. It released from it. So that could take off higher. It certainly could. However, I'm not ready to do it until we clear this area of resistance. Banks. Look at this little pop. Pop. Even with the bearish divergence, pop. You cannot kill this market with a gun. It can't be done. The markets keep going higher. But if I were to add a line there, let me blow this up, bring this to there. Oh, we broke that resistance. Financials all-time record high. Banks. Financials not at an all-time record high, but we are in a big nice looking high base, guys. Financials could be a buy over 2387. 2387 could be a buy area there. Yep, 2387, a buy area on financials. I'm going to get rid of this. No, you know what? I'm not going to get rid of that line here on financials. I'm going to actually keep that for the time being, I think. And then crude oil. I called it a sell. We drop. Called it a buy, up. But we're at major resistance. See this? I have a very, very sneaky suspicion, guys, that we're getting ready to drop. We're going to do that next. If so, I'll put another sell on crude oil. right now. Crude oil still has a buy, but we're at resistance, guys. That's usually an area where we drop. And gold, this was huge today. Gold had remember yesterday I said this is a great place to go short. Great place to go short, and and I was expecting it to go down. I can move this down. Let me get rid of it now. And we had a major gap down, a bloodbath at the beginning of the day, just as expected. I'm going to keep my sell on this. However, we did stop at a support level. Will we start to go higher? We actually could do that on gold. I'm going to bring this line down. Okay, so there's our channel that we're looking at right now. So we still stay sell. Silver. I said, hey, expect it to drop, and it did. It opened down there. It was a huge bearish drop in the markets. Bam, to the downside. However, people bought up that weakness. That rallied back. Guys, you know what this looks like to me? Looks like silver has found a short-term bottom. We might be going higher. I can't call it a buy yet, but that's what it looks like to me. Oh, let me show you a couple emails I got today. Where do I go? Facebook. If you go to Facebook, go to Facebook, Grok Trade. Hey, I got an email today from a Grok mentorship graduate. He said purchased AGO on November 28th, stopped out on the 19th. That was yesterday, and he gave his numbers. But anyway, he made 8.5% in 18 days. He's very, very excited about that. And just recently, he did the Vegas mentorship with us a couple months ago. Very, very happy with his training. Got another one that came in a day before, email from a 301 student. I did 3 options trades, incorporated many of the things I learned at the 301 mentorship. She was a mentor student. But a big-time option trader before coming to mentoring, needed to tighten up some things, and boom, I decided I wanted to be out of these 3 trades over the weekend, so she sold them over the weekend. So I took profits. On one, she made 4% on the second one, she made 13%, and on the third one, she made 21%. Congratulations to you guys. Again, that is for the Grok mentorship. That's where it's at. Go to Grok Trade, click on Trading Mentor. We could help you out too. Let's let 2017 be sizably different than what 2016 might have been for you. So listen, 89% of all people, all retail traders out there lose money. Okay, only 11% of us make consistent profits in the markets. So once you just take a sliver of those monies that you are sure to lose going into the future and invest some of those into Grok Trade so we can help turn this around for you. Anyway, Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. If you like it, like it. Catch you later.